Welcome to another session. Right, today it's getting a bit hot out here. I think right now it's about 35 degrees, so this is going to be short, sharp and sweet. We're going to be doing Tabata. Tabata, as you know, is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. These are the moves I'm going to perform today. We're going to do each move for 8 rounds and then carry on from there. So we're going to do the workout exactly as prescribed. I'm not going to ramble on anymore. You know what to do. If you like what content I'm giving you, hit the subscribe button and keep following me for more of these sessions. But most importantly, like the video. It helps my algorithm. See you guys on the other side. Calories. Can we maintain that? So we are done. So all in all, that was 16, 4, 8, 12, 16 minutes Tabata. And you know, it's one thing I did, big mistake. I started without doing a proper warm-up, and second round into the goblet squats I could feel it, but generally speaking, that's 16 minutes of work done. It's really hot out here. Summer is approaching, so it's gonna get really spicy out here, but all that means is I have to make the workouts in the garden very short. So prepare yourself for a lot of 10-minute sessions coming up. A lot of it will be Tabata style, but generally this one, I liked it. I think I'm gonna repeat this one again in my own time. Hope you like it. Follow along if you want to, and like this video, share it as far as you can, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the I can't even speak properly. Turn on the notifications so that you know whenever I release a new video. Okay? Alright guys, peace out. I'm out. Gone.